Hi guys! Welcome to Tiger Garage. So ayan, another project dito ngayon. Actually, tapos na tayo ngayon. So, client originally came for a change oil. Ended up, sabi ni client na madilim yung lights. So, actually, nandito si client, kausapin natin. Oh, hello. So, ito si Mr. CJ. Ito si Mr. Pogi.
So, galing pa kaming Batangas as what Sir Echo said. Papa-change oil lang. Unfortunately, parang ang init ng temperature sa Batangas, so pinatenta namin. However, yung biyahe namin pa uwi, madilim yung ilaw, so we changed the lights na lang din as well.
And then ito, parang nabudol na lang.
Oo, budol na lang to. Pero,
Eventually kasi sila boss nagtatanong about the facelift kit on F-150, on Raptor,
Exactly, yeah.
everything. So after asking yun nga, medyo mataas pag facelift at saka ang problem ng facelift, maraming papalitan. So para ma-avoid warranty and everything. So requirements lang naman ni client is yung medyo simple, bilis, tapos elegant, classy look. So ayan, nabudol natin ng grill. So buti naman nagustuhan ni client. So
Nabudol at a very affordable price.
nabudol at a very affordable price.
so si ano na to, Baby Raptor.
Baby Raptor na. Yeah, thank you guys.
Thank
Thank you talaga for coming from Batangas pa. So here at Tiger Garage, gusto namin talaga i-offer yung very affordable price for a decent mga items naman. Kaya if you're interested in lahat na nakita nyong like grill, lights, or tint, or any of our products, just give us a message and let us make it happen. So thank you guys for watching and let us see you next time. Goodbye!